Hello everyone, welcome back to Perry Tutorial. Today we're gonna find out how to install custom maps into Rocket League. And it's quite simple, it's for Epic Games. Just open your browser, search for Lethamyr. And you should find lethamyr.com. Community map, how to play custom maps, set up custom maps. Press here. Should pop up map loader install, save file. Takes a couple of seconds, and when it's done, you find it in the file. You double press it so it runs, and it should install the map loader. You'll see a ball going around here. That's basically it telling you that's installing. Then you'll get a custom map loader. I have already the custom map loader, but for you it will say select Rocket League file and select map folder. The first thing you want to do is find the Rocket League folder. It should be in Epic Games on one of your drives, disks. Epic Games, just double click it, and then it should be here, Rocket League. Select folder, and then you want to have a custom map folder. So what you do is you go into Rocket League. This will not be here in Rocket League, so what you need to do is press new folder and then rename it to maps or whatever you want it, just so you know that this is where all the maps are saved, because you need it later. And you select this one, select folder. Now it's all set up, and you need to go back to Lethamyr's website and look at the maps. Let's just choose one of these maps here. We can do Capture Flag Candyland, for example. Press download. It will take you to Google Drive. All you gotta do is press here, download. Download anyway. Save file. And when it's done downloading, you need to open it in the download folder and move it to where you have the Rocket League maps folder that you just created. Let me find it over here. Go into Rocket League like this. Got the maps folder, and you can just drag, drop like that. Don't be scared that nothing's showing up, because you need to press import new map and choose the new map, which is this one, import map, and it should pop up here. Takes a little second to load, and when that's done, there, it's loaded, so you can see the pictures here, and it's by Lethamyr. Then you just need to start Rocket League. Alright, now when you have Rocket League open, you'll notice that there's nothing happening, and what you need to do is we just drag this away here. Need to have the custom map loader, and you need to press load on the map you want to have. So we want this map. Press load, get a little ball icon, and when it's done loading, it should say successfully loaded. There you go. Perfect. And here we go to play, training, free to play, and you need to find underpass. Find underpass, press accept, and you should be loading into your custom map. As you can see, we are in the custom map that we have loaded. So, yeah. So any map that you can download in Alethemir's website will work. And I hope this was helpful. I'll see you in the next one.